Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how you can register your yogis to your studio. There are exactly 3 options, so let's get started. Option 1 is to manually add your yogis. Simply go to yogis, click on add yogi and enter the relevant details. Are there more relevant details or do you want to add a membership or class pass? Click on show more options. When you have filled everything in, click on save. That's it for option 1. For option 2, you can send us your yogi import file. You just need to take one simple step here. Just export your members from your current system. It doesn't matter whether it's an Excel sheet or some other management system. If you collected all the info, you can fill out this example Excel sheet and send it to import@momoyoga.com. And we will make sure that your yogis will be added to your account in no time. And for option 3, you can share your registration link with your yogis wherever you'd like to. Simply head over to Settings, Schedule, and copy your registration link under Allow New Registrations. That's it. You're now ready to invite your yogis to Momoyoga.